Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a second galaxy stretching across the stars, growing bigger every year. That's not science fiction. It's our future. The Andromeda Galaxy is heading straight toward the Milky Way, and one day, billions of years from now, the two will collide in one of the most massive cosmic events imaginable. But what would actually happen? Would stars smash into each other? Would Earth survive? Or would this be the end of our galaxy as we know it? Today, we're traveling billions of years into the future to answer one mind-bending question. What if Andromeda collides with the Milky Way? Right now, the Andromeda Galaxy is about 2.5 million light-years away from us. It's the nearest large galaxy to the Milky Way, and it's moving toward us at around 110 kilometers per second. That might sound fast, but in cosmic terms, this is a slow-motion crash. Scientists estimate the collision will begin in about 4 to 5 billion years. By then, the night sky would look completely different. Andromeda would grow larger and brighter each year, eventually becoming a massive spiral shape stretching across the sky, far bigger than the moon. To anyone alive at that time, if life still exists, the view would be unforgettable. But here's the surprising part. Even though two galaxies are on a collision course, most stars won't actually collide. Why? Because space is unbelievably empty. Stars are separated by vast distances, so when galaxies merge, they mostly pass by each other like swarms of fireflies. Still, the gravitational chaos would be enormous. 4 billion years from now, the outer edges of the Milky Way and Andromeda will begin to interact. Their gravitational pull will stretch and distort both galaxies. Long streams of stars, called tidal tails, will be flung into space. Entire star systems will be dragged into new orbits. The sky would become a cosmic light show, bright clusters of stars forming everywhere, gas clouds colliding and igniting massive star formation explosions of newborn stars lighting up the darkness. This period would be incredibly violent, but also beautiful. As gas clouds crash together, they would trigger huge bursts of starbirth. Thousands of new stars could form at once. Ironically, galaxy collisions often create more stars than they destroy. But there's a darker side. Gravitational forces could fling some stars completely out of the galaxy, turning them into rogue stars drifting through intergalactic space forever. Where would our solar system be during all of this? By the time the galaxies collide, the Sun will be about 9 billion years old. It will likely be nearing the end of its life cycle, slowly expanding into a red giant. Earth, if it still exists, may already be uninhabitable due to the Sun's increasing heat. But let's imagine Earth somehow survives. Would we be in danger from the collision? Surprisingly, probably not. The chance of another star hitting our Sun is extremely small. However, our solar system could be pushed into a completely new orbit. We might move closer to the galactic center, farther into the outer halo, or even into intergalactic space. From Earth's perspective, the sky would look surreal. Multiple bright galactic cores, new star clusters forming, rivers of stars stretching across the sky. It would be one of the most spectacular sights in cosmic history. After several close passes over billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will eventually merge into one massive galaxy. Scientists sometimes call this future galaxy Milkomeda. Instead of two spiral galaxies, the result will likely be a giant elliptical galaxy, a more rounded, less structured shape. At the center, the supermassive black holes from both galaxies will spiral toward each other. When they finally merge, they will release enormous gravitational waves, ripples in space-time traveling across the universe. The final galaxy will be larger, brighter, and filled with stars from both original galaxies. But the era of spiral galaxies for us will be over. Our cosmic home will be completely transformed. This collision isn't unique. Galaxy mergers happen all the time across the universe. They're actually a normal part of cosmic evolution. Most large galaxies we see today formed from multiple smaller galaxies merging together over billions of years. In a way, the Milky Way itself is already the result of ancient collisions. So this future event isn't the end. It's just the next step in our galaxy's story. And here's something even more mind-blowing. By the time the Milky Way and Andromeda fully merge, the expansion of the universe will have pushed most other galaxies beyond our view. The night sky in that far future might contain only one giant galaxy. the merged remnant of our two. Everything else will be too far away to see. So what if Andromeda collides with the Milky Way? It won't be an instant explosion, it won't destroy everything, and it won't happen anytime soon. Instead, it will be a slow, majestic transformation, a cosmic dance lasting billions of years. Stars will shift, galaxies will merge, and our place in the universe will change forever. The universe is constantly evolving. Even galaxies aren't permanent. One day, far in the future, our galaxy will become something entirely new, and the night sky will never be the same again. What do you think would be the most terrifying part of a galaxy collision? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to look up tonight. Because right now, Andromeda is already on its way.